Welcome. In front of me I have the DJI Action 2. So I believe this was released not too long ago. Today I'll go for unboxing along with a quick view of this camera. So anyway, what you can see right here, just because technically this is not polished product and it looks like most likely does not include a polish instruction inside of the box. The store basically glues their own, as you can see. So that is just the polish instruction. I'm actually not gonna bother taking that off, so yeah, let's just start ripping. Let it rip. The most elegant unboxing out there. Oh yeah, there we go. So how do I get into it? How do I open this? Oh my god. That was simple. Okay, so we have a couple little images right here. Application. Let's see if I can find how to launch a QR scanner in here. It's probably going to be through camera. Sure. Yes, allow whatever. Oh, there we go. Google Lens not available. Please sign into your... Oh, you've got to be kidding me that I need a Google account. Let me quickly get... Actually, I'm gonna do that in a second. Let's just get to the unboxing. Quick start guide. This one would have been quicker. It's right at the front of the box, but it's in Polish. Got the battery pack in here. And we get the camera. This is some more heft to it than you would expect for such a tiny little package. Then in here we got a Type-C cable for charging. Then we got something. And we got more of some things. And little moisture absorption package. Eat. No, magnets. How do they work? Yeah, let's just pop this out. This is... It's just a battery pack. And this is, I would say, just the camera. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, that is so dope. Anyway, let's see what we get in here. Oh, so that is the thing from this little image that we've seen right over here. So you can hang it on your shoulder, or not shoulder, but your neck. And this is something. But what? Oh, there we go. Trying to figure this out. Oh, that is a strong magnet. Let's actually look at the little image right here. So, does this not actually need this part? Oh damn, it does not. Oh, that is so cool. Wait, I'm holding it. What is happening? This is screwing with my mind. There we go. So now it's actually keeping the orientation correct. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this down, tiny little cube. And I assume I need this. Oh, not really. Just need this. We got some pens, so eat. No, and it just attaches like that. Well, that's not very convenient, considering it's blocking the screen. But then I guess pinned to your, hanging on your neck, it probably won't really matter because you probably don't care. One thing that I don't really like is the fact that it actually goes to the screen, which might scratch it. I would probably recommend you to put some kind of screen protection on here. Yeah. Damn, that is actually really cool. I don't get like really giddy about stuff like this, but that is so cool. Magnets! Hell yeah. Actually, let's record something. Do I need some SD card or does it come with built-in storage? I have no actual idea about this. Hopefully it has some built-in one. Actually, wait, before I'm gonna... Can I check the settings? Oh yes, I can! We have 1080p language, believe, oh, a 4K 60. I just like, can I go into the settings to change this? I have no idea what this is. Please just let me change the settings. Oh, here where could the settings in here be? Or not the settings, but the language specifically. Whatever, you know what? For just capturing a couple tiny little video, I'm pretty sure this is good enough in Chinese or whatever it is. Oh yeah, glorious mess on my desk. Cool. There we go. So, all that alerted you me. Oh yeah, there it is. Is there any kind of sound? There is no sound, but it does have a microphone. So I assume this just does not have a speaker. Okay. Now let's quickly look at the... Oh wait, I can't look at the app because it's probably gone, the QR code. Damn. Oh well, I guess I'll follow up with actual video of the app later on. Once I manage to actually change the language of this damn thing. Obviously it seems to be running just fine. It's a really cool little piece of tech right here. I really like it. Anyway, if you also like this, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.